Hello friends, in this video we have studied that the type of the constant motion. In previous lecture we have studied that what is the motion, kinematic element, kinematic pair, types of the link. Then what is the types of the link? There are the three types of the link: binary link, ternary link and quaternary link, and how it is the measure the number of link. Okay, in this video we have studied the types of the constant motion. In this video we have studied at the COM, that is the kinematic of machinery, in which topic we have studied at the types of constraint motion. Okay, there are the various type of the constant motion. There are the three types of the constant motion. First will be the completely constant motion. Second will be the incompletely constant motion. And third will be the successfully constrained motion. Okay, there are the three types of the constant motion. First will be the completely constant motion, second will be the incompletely constant motion, third will be the successfully constant motion. Okay, we have studied the one by one. First will be the completely constant motion. What is the completely constant motion? What is the completely constant motion? What is the definition? The constant motion is one in which the relative motion between two links can be placed only in definite direction. And it can be predicted is called as the completely constant motion. What is the completely constant motion? Completely constant motion in which the relative motion between the two links can be placed in only one definite direction and it can be predicted. For example, but this is a rectangular bar in which this is the rectangular. Suppose this is the rectangular bar. In which this is a rectangular bar in which this rectangular rod is motion is only translation. Do not the rotate. This motion is called as the completely constant motion. Okay, suppose this is the pen on which this is a rectangular bar on which this rod is only the completely constant motion, means it is in a on and off, in which on and off, so that this motion is called as the completely constant motion, means this motion is in a completely constant motion. Why? Because it is the move in a डेफिनाईट डायरेक्शन मीन्स आपण ज्या डायरेक्शनला सांगाल त्याच डायरेक्शनला ती मूव्ह होत असेल तो रॉड, तर त्याला काय म्हणतात, कम्प्लिटली कन्स्ट्रेंट मोशन. तर फॉर एक्झाम्पल the motion of rectangular bar the motion of rectangular bar the motion of the rectangular bar sliding in a rectangular slot in a rectangular slot means काय, the motion of the rectangular bar. Suppose this is the bar are sliding to the only rectangle, only it is a sliding, it is only sliding, does not it is a rolling, so it is the this motion is called as the completely constrained motion. Second will be the incompletely constrained motion. Second types will be the incompletely constrained motion. Incompletely constrained motion. Okay, what is the incompletely constrained motion? It is the incompletely constrained motion. Which is the incompletely, then will be the second we have seen that the incompletely constrained motion. Incompletely constrained motion. This is the definition of the incompletely constrained motion. When the two links are connected in such a manner that relative motion can take place in more than one direction is called as this motion is called incompletely constrained motion. What is the incompletely constrained motion? When the two links are connected in such a manner that relative motion can take place in more than the one direction, this motion is called as the incompletely constrained motion. For example, suppose this is the rectangular bar. Suppose this is the rectangular bar in which this is the circular rod in which the circular rod are connected in such a manner. This is the called as the round bar. This is the called as the fixed block with a round hole. This motion is called as the sliding motion, and this is the motion is called as a rotary motion. Okay, incompletely constrained motion, when the two links are connected in such a manner that relative motion can take place in more than the one direction, this motion is called as the incompletely constrained motion. So this is the rectangular bar on which in which the round bar means this round bar there are the two motions, that is the sliding motions and then against the rotary motion. Means this rod will be, it is a sliding and this is the rolling motion will be take place. Okay, the example of this the motion of a round bar, the motion of a round bar in a round hole of a fixed block, as shown in figure. This motion is called as the incompletely constrained motion. Suppose this is the round bar, against it is replaced by the rectangular bar, then this motion is called as the this is a rectangular bar, this is called as the completely constrained motion, and this is the incompletely constrained motion. Means in completely constrained motion there are the two motion, that is the sliding and the rolling. In completely constrained motion only the sliding motion will be take place. Third motion will be the successfully constrained motion. Successfully constrained motion. Okay, what is the successfully constrained motion? When the relative motion between between the links is not completely or incompletely not completely constrained motion by itself, but it is made by some other means is called as successfully constrained motion. Okay, successfully constrained motion when the relative motion between the link is not a completely constrained motion by itself, but it is made some other means some force will be attached exert on this constraint, then this constrained motion is called as the successfully constrained motion. Okay, for example the incompletely constrained motion of a round bar is a round hole can be successfully constrained to purely a rotation motion by providing the key way in the round bar. Okay, successfully constrained motions means the example is that the incompletely constrained motion of a round bar is a round hole can be successfully constrained. This is also called as the successfully constrained motion when, suppose this is the rectangular bar and this is the circular bar on which the key attached, means in this way the attached, so that this circular bar rotates only in a sliding motion, do not in a rolling motion, by providing this keyway. this key way. So this motion is called as the successfully constrained motions. Successfully constrained motion. This is the types of the constrained motion. First will be the completely constrained motion, second will be the incompletely constrained motion, and third will be the successfully constrained motion. Okay. Thank you.